All right, so I just wanted to pop on here and say hello. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're not going too stir crazy right now. And I just want to go over some stuff that's going to be happening within the next couple of weeks. And I also want to talk about the changes that IB has made and what this really means for us. So first of all, yes, IB canceled their exams. I was very shocked, honestly. But what does that mean for us going forward? Well, they said that they're still going to generate a score. I do know that your internal assessment will be part of that score. How else they're getting that will probably come from grades, combination of predicted grades, some other way that they're looking at different things. They were pretty vague about the whole process, honestly. So that being said, I'm going to push forward as if we were going to take the set of papers at the end of the year. I'm doing that to basically ensure that just in case they decide to audit the course, we can still show that we are having a rigorous course aligned with the standards. So we are going to take a paper 1 and a paper 2 sometime fourth quarter, towards the end of fourth quarter. And essentially, we're going to work on just trying to get you guys prepared for that. So, for the next couple of weeks, if you go to the website, I've already uploaded this in Schoology 2. So there's a sample paper 2 and a sample paper 2 analysis. Essentially, the first week, all I want you to do is I want you to go through the paper and label the topics. So on paper 2 analysis, that document, you're going to find all the different topics that are possible, and you're going to decide which topic is aligned with each question. And then at that point, I want you to go through and say, okay, do I remember how to do this? If not, you're just going to rank it from a scale of 1 to 5, 5 meaning that you know it pretty well. And then with that, you're going to tell me which topics that you guys really would like to see review videos on. And then I'm going to pick some of those topics and do review videos. And we'll also do some different review sessions and things like that. But first week, that's what I want you to do. I want you to go through that paper. The second week, I want you to actually sit down and take the paper. And yes, I'm aware you can go and look up the answers. That's not the point. The point is to start getting you prepared for taking a paper 2 at the end of this quarter. So that's basically the first 2 weeks, which maybe we'll be back, maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. But I also, if you go on to Schoology, I did upload the sample paper 2. And then I also uploaded a schedule. Now on that schedule, I did put a link for a kind of a fun assignment. It's a murder mystery thing that you can just go through the computer with. So if you're really bored, you can do that. The main thing that I want you guys to work on is working through that paper and seeing what topics you really need help with. Okay, so other things moving forward. So that's what you're working on the first 2 weeks that we're out. So if you go to my website, so when you get to Kilpatrick Science, remember there is a password. It's APChem15 for the username, and then chemistry with a Y in the middle. So CHEMYSTRY. So when you go into the website, you're going to see 3 new links here. So first of all, yes, I'm going to be assigning some videos through PlayPosit. Go ahead and make a new account. The instructions were given to you at the bottom of one of the letters that I sent out. So go ahead and make a new account. Now I've also posted a document. Okay, this is for troubleshooting PlayPosit. So make sure that when you're using PlayPosit, you use Google Chrome. If it's not working, make sure you update Google Chrome, make sure it's the latest version. If you're still having problems, you can go through these different steps. So a lot of times, I think the main problem is that the cookies aren't enabled in Chrome. So these are the instructions to enable the cookies for Chrome, and then that will probably fix the problem. If not, it might be you just need to clear cache. So the instructions for all of that stuff is there. If you have problems, if you need a password reset, just let me know. So there's that. I want you to do that. I also want you to go ahead and download Zoom. That's in case Schoology crashes or any of the other things that we're going to be using crashes. That way we have a backup. Now, if you look right here, there's a link for calendar link. Okay, so you're going to go to this link, and then you're going to notice that I have different live sessions set up. Now, this is not necessarily set in stone. If I need to change things, make them longer, move them around, I can do that. But right now, this is what the schedule is. So if you go to IB Chem 3, and then you click on More Details, okay, you're going to see Join Hangouts. Okay, and then what I want you to do is I want you to go into that Hangout, and you're going to join it. Hello. So we're going to try to use this to do conferencing. Hopefully we don't crash it, and hopefully it will do all the things that I need it to do, where I can actually go through problems and things like that. So Monday evening, I'd like you to go ahead and try to get onto this just to see if we crash it. Just kind of troubleshoot and just say hello, okay? So these are optional, okay? But if you need help or anything like that, that's what the schedule is there for. Now, the other thing that you can do, you go to the website, and this link that says book appointment. So if you just need to, like, you have something really quick that you need individual help with, like you don't want to go onto a chat room for, you can book an appointment with me, not the others. Go to my name and then go to the date. It's not showing anything right now, but when you go to the date, it'll give you a time that you could possibly book an appointment. So if you go, let me see if I can pull up. Okay, so this is what you'll typically see. You'll see an appointment that you can just make the appointment, you fill out the information, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a text message, okay? And that's going to be through Remind. And then I'm going to tell you that I'm going to be in this Google Hangout, or I'll give you a link to, you can come and see me or talk to me. But I would say, you know, you can always shoot me an email, you can always just text me through Remind, and that will probably be a lot quicker. But if you think you need me to like walk you through something, go ahead and you can book an appointment. All right, so I think those are the newest things that I've done to the website. So just make sure you have your Play Posit account. Go ahead, download Zoom just in case. And then if you can, try to pop in Monday evening so we can try the Google Hangout and see how that works. I kind of just need to see if it's going to work and just troubleshoot some issues. I will ask that when you get into the Google Hangout, you know, you might want to say hello, but then just go ahead and mute your mic while we're trying to have discussions, okay? And then when you're ready to talk and then you want to ask a question, then you can turn your mic back on. All right, so I hope to see some of you guys Monday evening. If not, it's okay. You can just pop in the next one, or just shoot me an email if you need something, okay? All right, I'll talk to you guys later.